What's going on, everybody? So in this video I'm going to be going over a bullish market structure pattern. So when price is actually trading bullish, meaning it is trending upward, meaning price is making higher highs and higher lows, typically we're going to be taking advantage of this by buying at the lows, right? And we're not going to be selling the highs. Why we don't sell the highs is because we're going against the trend and price can kind of reverse on us at any time. For example, if we believe that price is going to be going against us here, right, or if price is going to be going down here, right, to form a higher low point, we're not going to be selling this high because price at any time can continue to go bullish. Now, the thing about this is when price is actually trending bullish, you can very easily identify this structure because price is forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is a higher high, this is a higher low, higher high and higher low, right? So this is typically the actual structure for a bullish market condition. Now this is a higher high because this high is higher than our previous high, right? And this is a higher low because this low is higher than our previous low. Price will always be making higher highs and higher lows if we're in a bullish market condition. Now again, this is a higher high because this high is higher than our previous high. And this is a higher low because this low is higher than our previous low, right? Now you can identify when a bullish condition or when a bullish market structure ends and is no longer valid in multiple ways. Price will either come up, form a high, and then break this higher low, right? So we have a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a high. And if price breaks and goes under our previous higher low, this is called a break of structure or a BOS, right? So when price actually breaks structure, we are no longer going to be looking to buy, depending on the time frame you're looking at, because price is no longer forming higher highs and higher lows, meaning that prices start reversing now. Now, depending on the time frame you're looking at, what price could do is come up, form a lower high, and then a lower low, right? So this would be our lower low. This would be our lower high. Now, again, this is very easily identifiable because this low, right, or this high is lower than our previous high. And this low here, which is a lower low, again, this low is lower than our previous low, right? So one more time, this high is lower than our previous high, and then this low is lower than our previous low, right? So now this bullish market condition is no longer valid and price is going to start to most likely reverse, especially if you have what I call a three-leg extension, right? So we have a three-leg extension here. So when price has one burst to a specific side, then pulls back, then continues in that same direction, right? This is a three-leg extension, and with this pattern, you can identify a new trend. Same thing here. Price moves in one direction, pulls back, continues in that direction, a three-leg extension, right? Price will then continue to go in that direction, and a new trend has started. Now, that's how you can identify how a bullish market condition is now over. But now, once it starts again, what price may do is do this as well, right? Price may form a low, break the previous lower high, then continue to go up, right? So this would be a lower high, this would be a lower low, this would be a higher high, this would be a higher low, then again a higher high. Why is this a higher high? This high is higher than the previous high. This low is higher than the previous low, making it a higher low, and we have a three-leg extension. So now you can confirm that price is trending bullish again. All you have to wait for to buy is for price to pull back, look for confirmation that price is going to continue to go up, and then Of course, right here is when you want to buy, so high or low. And then your targets could be anywhere from the high to the highest high, to a higher high. Right, and again, price broke structure for this downtrend once price broke the previous lower high point. Right, so that's the start of a new bullish trend here. Right, so those are kind of the basics when it comes down to actual market structure for a bullish market condition. Now, what I want you to do is pretty much kind of draw your own market structure, right? Practice your higher highs, your higher lows, and you can send it to me on Discord so I can verify if what you have done is correct. You can email it to me if you want as well. And again, do 10 examples of these. Get really good with understanding market structure itself. Right, so in the next video, we're going to be covering a bearish market condition, and then we're going to be covering a consolidating or ranging market after that.